What is cash flow? Well, if we have a look at a cash flow statement in a company's annual report, we see cash flow divided into three segments. As an example, we'll have a look at Ahold Delhaize, the grocery giant's recent 2022 statement. What we see here is that we have cash flow from operations, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from operating activities is the most important segment. It tells you the total amount of cash that the business has made from running their operations. The net cash is the total amount of sales minus the price of the goods from the suppliers, wages for employees, interest on loans, and tax paid to the government. If this number is negative, the company is losing money. Cash flow from investing activities is any future-oriented activity, hence investing. For Ahold, it includes the purchasing of additional storefronts or new delivery trucks to grow in the future, but it can also include acquisitions or the purchasing of securities like stocks or bonds. Basically, it is an investment with the goal of increasing profit in the future. And cash flow from financing activities talks about the means of acquiring capital, like selling bonds or stocks to raise money. It also reports dividends paid, stock buybacks, and the potential buyback of debt. And after all these statements, you are left with the net change in cash. And then there is one honorary mention which I often use, which is free cash flow. Free cash flow is the operating cash flow, the first statement, minus capital expenditures. And capital expenditures are investments that are reported on the cash flow from investing tab that are required to keep running the business in the future, like new delivery vans, refrigerators, or tills for their grocery stores. Often, this is reported as maintenance and acquisition of property, plant, and equipment. And by looking at all these three numbers as well as free cash flow, you can get an overall feeling of the health of the company and maybe a potential future investment.